Good morning, students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur Block, and I'm teaching you computer science as a subject. Student, yesterday I have uploaded uh, one video tutorial regarding working with accessibility option, where I guided you four programs that are being run by um, those person who are physically impaired. I showed you where to open those programs from start menu and from control panel. Today we are going to see how you can set in creating shortcuts so that you can access those application in an easy manner. So let's dive into today's video tutorial. Welcome back, students. We are in a second day of working with accessibility option. In yesterday's class, I showed you four programs. Those were Narrator, Magnifier, then on-screen keyboard, and setup speech recognition. And then I already showed you how to set up high contrast so that the person who are visually impaired, physically impaired, can have a proper view of the program they are running on Windows operating system. So in today's classroom, I'm going to show you the settings of these programs that we have in Windows operating system. How to bring shortcut keys so that those who are physically impaired person, they can have an ease of access when they have multiple tasks to do using different applications. So all these application, as I showed you, it's available in start menu. If you scroll down in an alphabetic manner, you will find a folder which says Windows Ease of Access. When you open your first application, that is Magnifier, on the right end of the screen you will find settings of Magnifier program, or else you will find a shortcut of the setting, which is Windows logo key plus Control plus M. This is a shortcut key to open the settings. So if you click over here, and when you click on go to settings, it will open setting panel of for Magnifier. On left hand pane there are different type of programs through which settings have been defined on the right side of the pane. Now in order to enable those settings, you have to turn on that button and you need to check or note down those shortcut keys. Say for example, you have a magnifier program settings over here and you need to enable this magnifier button. When you click on magnifier, it will open the magnifier program. Or else, instead of going to start button and find this program, the other method is to press the shortcut key to switch on the magnifier or to switch off the magnifier. What are those shortcut keys? That is Windows logo plus button on your keyboard, which will turn on magnifier, which is showing over here. Let me show you how to do that. Let me press Windows logo button and then plus sign on the keyboard. Let me close it once. So I'm pressing Windows logo and plus button. So when I press plus button, you might have noticed this button which was off when I close this program. When I press Windows logo and plus sign on the keyboard, it will become on and you will find the magnifier program over here. And if you press Windows logo and escape at that moment of time, this program will close down. So instead of going to start button and going in an alphabetic order into the folder of Windows ease of access, we can simply press shortcut keys to switch on and switch off magnifier program. Other than that, how can you increase the level of zoom of magnifier? By default it is showing 100%, but you can adjust the magnification of magnifier program. If you scroll down a little bit below, there are several more functions available in a shortcut key. So either you can memorize or you can write down these shortcut keys for your reference. If you check on left panel, other than magnifier, you have a high contrast which you, when you press this button on, you'll find the shortcut keys showing over here. You may note down the shortcut keys to work this program in an efficient manner. Let me check mouse pointer also. By default, my mouse pointer at 0 level and it looks like this, but when you increase its size, did you notice the current movement of the mouse? Yes. So this is how you can increase the size of the pointer. By default, the color of the mouse pointer is white, but if you change, immediately the color of the cursor changes. And if you want to change the color of the cursor, there are several different other colors available, which you choose shows you the effect of on your mouse pointer. Now scroll down a little bit. On left hand side, you'll find the shortcut of Narrator. When you switch it on, your Narrator program will start. Now if you switch it on, immediately the Narrator program starts and it will read the text for which that current program is open. Few shortcut keys shown over here, which is checked, which is showing as Windows logo plus control plus enter button to switch on and off your Narrator program. Scroll down a bit and you'll find several other settings. Now students, if you do not want to make any changes, these settings are recommended by the Microsoft Corporation of Windows operating system. They have tested each and every application and they have suggested few recommended settings. So based on those settings, they can adjust the speed, size and other level with an efficient way. But if you still want to change according to the use on Windows operating system, there are still several features which you can customize according to your choice. Check over left hand side. If you scroll down a little bit more, you'll find speech recognition system, which you want to switch it on, or press Windows logo, control and letter S, then it will turn on your program to set up speech recognition. Over left, you'll find keyboard settings, which has some shortcut keys available. If you scroll down a bit, it will show you some more features over there. So according to your choice, you can adjust. Then go over mouse pointer. What it says, turn on mouse keys or the numeric pad to move the mouse pointer. If you switch it on, you will find how to adjust the speed and how to increase or decrease the level of acceleration on mouse. And there are a few more features available over here. So I'm not going to make any changes. It is just to show you how you can make or customize the settings and enable shortcut keys to make or do your work in more easy and efficient manner. So that is the end of your chapter, and after this chapter I'm going to give you assessment activity, and I will try to give you some hints of unsolved question. Please go through the book pages given in Google Classroom, or else if you have purchased a book, please read those information and try to complete your question and answers. So that is it for today. You have a great day. Bye bye.